Paul Addo chebe so free Ghana monchina mombono oboa onko bebia Paul bewu. They are speaking freely. Suddenly they have forgotten that a foolish president was intimidating everybody. Apeke. Palutas, I thought Otunari so Apache or Tiakunyumsa. This is for the pape. This is for the pape. Aquama Bodam. Apeke. Palutas, I thought Otunari so Apache or Tiakunyumsa. This is for the pape. This is for the pape. Aquama Bodam. Apeke ana, Wedra, Uhinim, Koshodie. Kobio TV. Hello, Kola. Apeke ana. This is for the popping apeke. MVB. Oh, dear. Oh, what to money pay the J. Hello, caller.
Apeke. Oh, what is this enemy? Oh, what is this enemy?
The French is be at to know.
Jesus, Louis Quilly.
I got the French. This one, bonsoir. Ça va tout le passe.
Kevin.
Kasa.
Alena apeke. Monsieur, apeke.
Hey, Adena peke. Les jours, les soirs. Hey, aussi, les papins, les sous, les soirs. C'est tout le monde, les papins, les sous, les soirs. Yes, hey, apeke. Les soirs. Tout le monde peke. On j'accord. Ti bébé oh. Paul Addo chebe so free Ghana monchina mombono oboa onko bebia. Paul bewu. Paul Addo chebe so free Ghana oboa ye ne betinem. Hwe Paul okwan. Ye ginam. Now Paul Addo chebe e play no so kofa bae no. Wan etua ho ka. Paul we give you one etua ho sa play no kofa bae beti. Kumase no. Wan etua bae. O de Paul de unim. Hello. I did not pick it so Obokasa ma. Bawumia, I pick you. I gama. I pick some catch. Me catch them say. You remember this? Na me no ka say be day na election results in the buy no. Day na live production na me ye declare results no. You declare say John Mahama 6,119,000. Okay. The last time I'm free TV so no. And I'm kasa Bawumia enya 4,123,000 or something like that. And I'm Jano TV so. Sa time crampono na munyendru eye ebia 80 or 90% of the elections. Mokai. Sa time na mu quality. And so your system na faster. Ye to me mamo eye the results and the Jemenza say 6.328. That means time I'm Jano ho that Saturday morning, Sunday morning, no, na I can just 100 or 200,000 per na elections na end. Okay, the system we put in place. I have 1,500 men on the ground. In terms and the results of the Maya, Jemensa the new 6.3 million, Bawumia 4.6. Time and I made Jamo TV so no, now 6.1 million. And I'm casting my call elections no. John Mahama has won. Me call elections way Sunday. Sundays Saturday night, I'm calling elections way. Ghana time around 2. No, there was Sunday morning, right? Sunday morning around 2 a.m. And I called the elections. And I'm going to say, elections, no, John Mahama has won. I was way back at Saturday, Ghana time, and I do 12. Now my mom was 6 million figure, 6.1. You got 2 days, basically 6.3. And go baby. Before that, we catch him say, NDC for so many over 168 seats and more 188. That is how me team no omo analysis omo ndi omo ka. Me catch them say Ashanti region. Mamika bin chiremo. I didn't want to talk about this. Now intellectuals no way. Today the intellectuals are sitting on TV. They are speaking freely. Suddenly they have forgotten that a foolish president was intimidating everybody. Now we are ready for the intellectuals. Me pe intellectual be sorry say I was sorry about can kwasi asem TV so against Mahama. Ho na mo hu okurum ha. Today you foolish intellectuals are sitting on TV blowing your mind because you believe say and the freedom aba kwasiafo. Majority of you intellectuals mo jimi na mugu Ghana. Mo te Ghana instead of you people to come out and speak. A few of them were speaking. This one I'll give it to Franklin Kujo. Jampomu were very Pebumu were speaking. Majority of the so-called intellectuals in Kwasiafo, they were not speaking. Today, John Mahama, you declare when you them at the TV station kwasia suit. Vietnam ne Kazakhstan suit the TV so some na munim nyansa moa. Akufo Addo be di Ghana so 8 years. Kwasia fo we twi for from na mo tete TV so kabrofo. Mo agimi aba no wanam na koto ye. Enkofo na mo gi so mo agimi na omo nenam fom no. Omo so aso anwoma no. Omo tete store nketenkete ano no. Omo asabi omo bre no. Omo nam koto aba no. Kwasia fo betena TV so. Na wa John Mahama be starting the governance. Oba wa agito ba betena news file. Oba betena kan kasa. We will send people we ninje mabodam. Leave the guy to govern. Akufo Addo was president for 8 years in Kwasiafo. He didn't speak. You were all sitting on TV and you were trying to do Now, nobody, because John Mahama, we need to wait for him to finish his 4. Aye, mabodam. Afen yebe soja. Mo titi radio so twamasum. Obi anja John Mahama no nyere dwuma. Ma John Mahama govern Kwasia we kura mo tena ne ho. You were still on TV defending this foolish man. You were defending these clowns. In Kwasiafo, today corruption in Ghana, I said duani edi. But the TV so na mo jeje brofo echi. Ma share na ndemba na me slow down. Minim dia meye. Kakran kadan o dia mo dia munim dia ba. Apeke ana. Apeke wedwa. Uhinim onhwa akọ kohwe TV foforo. This is for the popping apeke. Okoda gati for night club da. Wayo apeke ana. Wayo apeke ana. This is the real results now in posting in it on Saturday, Sunday morning. No? Answer on me free TV. So this is the number I gave you. Number in here 6.199 for John Mahama. This was Sunday morning, Ghana time, 2 a.m. Because we called the elections at 2. This was the number, 56.3%. 37%. And I'm in Bawumia, 4,541,000. My man 41.30%. All the way Sunday morning, near mama figure we said John Mahama win election. And Jane Mensa buy the figure the buy any. My main show Jane Mensa figure. Jane Mensa figure the money. Inter then I me catch out say John Mahama win ya. Me figure and the one left. Jane Mensa and the one right. Jane Mensa be mamu 56.55. Me mamu 56.37. Sunday morning, I'm going to say John Mahama. Every year I did it with 56.37. Jemensa and Oba was 56.55. Time Crampona na me jam horo na 38,000 polling stations out of 40,000 polling stations. So you see the sophisticated way we work. We were on the ground. 1,500 men were on the ground. Pink sheet to pink sheet. They take, they pick, they press, they send. Pick, na fa. A pikisa Jemensa banda or Bawumia 41.61. Meba Bawumia 41.30. I didn't know to me for electoral commission, mammy. Na mincha will say Ghana for say no more pay. A pick it a dada, a pick it Saturday, by 10 p.m. Saturday, young call it, and I'm saying me team is more time kakra. And son of my call elections no. Yanya diano and a naked one. Sunday anopa 2 a.m. Ya diane ketwano. Ketwana e left ano. Ya call se Bawumia enya 41.30. Now that time my call is 38,000 out of 40,000 police stations nationwide. Mahama enya 56.37. 6.1 million votes. Bawumia enya 4.5 million votes. And the Jemensa kakrakano say Mahama enya 6.328 million votes. And a Mahama enya 6.3 million. And a Bawumia enya 4.6. Election man calling it right. You call election right. In time, I'm catcher say we know what we are doing and now diagro. You call election Saturday. Before Obia or Ghana. Apeke. Next time we pa mbesro and apeke. Nyame ho. Hey. Be apeke wedwa. You betie calls say you ready akoda. You better the pressure na this is for the popping. I call election da. Mo me akoji the number to fear number suro. Oh, Kevin Taylor. I call election da. Now, when we see university election we mu. Hwe. Yeah, ji pink sheet. Yeah, the correct results the bank asafo ejima mo ho. MPP strong room. O ma bodam. Bawumia, Mahama ye campaign now Jaf. But David. enkwasiasem say how I don't person the win election no enkwasiasem we ya no mo ye 4 years kone ko ka asem kire nipa na nipa hwe so onim nyansa o de Jimmy nam na ka ne be ma wo enkwasiasa apeke na sisifia ene de ka o mankora we di hu agro na pele se de akire ye Jimmy nti apeke hello apeke manenko Buya, the catcher was a Kusibuati or Dada Bawumia, Kusibuati or your crop for.
For where I'm coming from and where God has brought me to, I'm the last person to be intimidated and to be threatened. I cannot. No. No power, no personality, no president, no commander, no party, no member of parliament can ever intimidate me. I am beyond intimidation. I'm a very simple, warm, and nice person, but I am beyond intimidation. Not even the judiciary.
Hey, said not even the judiciary.
Where I'm coming from, I am beyond intimidation. Not even the judiciary can intimidate me.
Maybe some Kusibuati said. Sa kwasi campaign no gina so dem ka kire Bawumia say Bawumia be win 50.9% because nobody nkan mama ka secret bi nkyerem mama mamu secret bi unma kwenti a EC chair some dem results beba no normal omanye coalition bia ho normal number da ho na NCA na coalition na ma EC mama mamu story no anoche mu na coalition na ma EC na EC e di amaye. Now let me tell you, you're starting elections no. Yeah, elect your 2 abana kodru 430 do. I'm not to for small boy be free. America by your friend Kwame. Henry Kwame. Sabo na fena ye be tata no America. Owo eye our clearance our US government and oba Ghana say oba be den oba be hijack system no aba be den aba maye de Ghana for or no be we election mama ye afena ye beba no so America ha matese waba. That boy, his name is Henry. Let me get the right name for you. But in the picture vegetable. What's your boy? They brought that boy. And I'm cast a boy nembra na boy nembra boy nembra na ombe hijack a ye system na Ghana ni na sene be ya ono sa boy no. Let me get his full name. Maybe child you see eh. Safo. I don't want to get his name wrong. Michael Kwame. No, Raphael Kwame. Raphael Kwame. The Raphael. Raphael Kwame. No. Quarm. That is the boy Omodenifa US. Edinburgh, Washington had to fly from here to New York to Ghana. And I've been the seat number in Achemo. Now, so boy drew Ghana and I'm a shadow. I was just watching him. That was the boy Omodenifa said, Anka Ombe Haki system Nina, including Haki Obia or take data of the election biano. Now Omonkwano Emma number. Until they had prepared a number Omodebe. Now boy in the bayano. So I got to Tiger Uvi. Not Tiger Tifie channel. And Raphael Kwame, I'm going to report you to the US government. You will be jailed. There was a chat our subway way, Sikamu chairman $1.2 million. Akufo Addo, wahwe colleagues and which one. This is Akufo Addo. Or say enyado bia benya haircut.
I also want to assure all Ghanaians that no individual or institutional investor, including pension funds, in government treasury bills or instruments, will lose their money as a result of our ongoing IMF negotiations. There will be no haircuts. So I urge all of you to ignore the false rumors.
Nana Akufo Addo ye president I was say ye dey rehyɛ mu ogina TV so ka kyerɛ pensioners Ghana for musika at the bank Any omo pension sika say there will be no haircut. They should trust him. In the 3 days, and omo sika nyina Akufo Addo fae. Eye den na wo ye penyini a wo hwe me. Utumi de ugidie ehye Akufo Addo mu say de bia me ka kire wo say MPP for ushi omo na wo ka sa Agyapade ho asem we ya. Sa book we e fe Agyapade no. Se uhu MPP ni ama wo yem nhyew suru no. Se wo du kokromoti edit si eye paper so ma MPP a ayama wo yem nhyew wate. Se wadwiri ko deeper na wo hwe sa Agyapade nwoma we a hwe asase a yese no Ghana egudi a yese yede sei Ghana eye galamse ekoso no enye keke wo ewo Agyapade book dim omaka se omo no Ghana egudi no eye omo dia and they have the right to sell it and to take it. Inti sa Agyapade book no krampo no sa galamse baby ebedu no it is part of the plot. Say omo idea be say they are not connected to Ghana. Ya how omo how and that whatever they deserve, they will take it. Make much show a passage in the Agyapade book a can specifically about galamse ni Agyapa. Send ye good dear was assis no omo befa. Send a beya omo tifia I was said 200 years. Ghana good dear was assis bia was assin bia be omo dia. See on my parke.
Ghana for Monhe galamse operators any you. Excavators are trying to wura mu a ye de abesisi kuro asankregwa ni o asankregwa o modeshi ani me ana me postu ba ko no omu ni hwe amoa mode mfidie na abesisi ya omode abehintan o endi se chema huntumi ne jomboadu ne nasefo aha ne ya jomboadu ne mfidie ne sisi ya no ne chanafo edan no mo asisi ne ho no ye yi fidie ni na besie
Unfidie no de yadwuma ngasa
huntumi de ya ne asisi nwuram jomboadu mfidie ni o Ghana nipa oda ne mines na no ona asisi dan a chanafo na titi mu no omo cars na asisi wo no wahu mfidie a omo de ye hyehye ahiafo excavators ayi asisi fie kwa na ye hye no wahu so omo de abehinta ba bi emoa mufo de ma enko vara mame baby
omo yi excavators na kusisi fie omo ne China Jombo Edu site ni Jombo Edu atena TV so a enya de obeka kire wo se o se nsuo obeka so free SHS onum se wagimi omo dada mo or less than 10 hours to save your life. Send a young girl no okosansu abafia benom. Na akwara so okosansu na this is the water ojine musa and Bawumia. And the chairman won to me Akufo Addo aban. Na wo hwe akwara and the akwara okosansu Ghana and the Akufo Addo. They don't care. This is the water people are drinking in Ghana. Oti abruchira. That is why you need to call your brother and sister home and say, Dabi, wait, they are not a thing. Yanshe ya, yabeba fi kura insu kura inye bin nom. And the akwara ko sensu insu and nipa nom wa Ghana ni and the Akufo Addo ne Bawumia. But sansem we na ihia no, omo pese obeka ho asem. The moment I start table some questions, I'm so pe MPP asem, what time free SHS. Enkwara no moko free SHS no insu omo ba benum nie. Inta denti na yenti kru no ho. Adentini mbo kru no ho ban se na ebe betuma bo enkwara no ho ban achichiri kru no adentira ena ye Ghana problems ekosu nyina no MPP ashada akata ni nyina so oso free SHS nti toma no dabi. Sorry, part na yamakin read no. I want you to read that part with me. Or say the passage of the Minerals Income Investment Fund. Mamemfa Agyapade picture nto wa se ne be ya obehu de meka no obeti ase we ewe Agyapade book nim into galamse na ekoso na Akufo Addo ayese de ohu ye no a part of the plot a plan no. Now okan Agyapade document na or say the passage of the Minerals Income Investment Fund Act and the setting up of the first special purpose vehicle Agyapade royalties in Jersey would allow us, acting in various capacities and through our friends, to acquire majority of the stake to be listed on the London Stock Exchange and the Ghana Stock Exchange. The cash flow will be strategically undervalued to maximize our returns. We will get a share of the money raised through IPO on the two exchanges through pavement by contractors who will work on MIIF-funded projects. We will also get a share of the dividends for our equity holding in the SPV. Inti okan krata we Japade man, di omo kanyina ne se omo ton eye Ghana egudie ewa asase nso nyina edema eye company bi ewo amanone a eye omo dia and then 3 days me be kire mu document a e kire se omo ne ko register Japade no wa abrochire Jersey. Inti ohwe Japan krata ne mu a omo se omo beton Ghana egudie na ewa asase nso nyina de ama company bi a omo ko bie na brochire na de be ne say so omo ton masa company a eyo omo dia, that means Ghana egudie wa asase na se nyina no ebeba be di omo nsem at least 90% na be omo dia na omo de sa company no affront anase omo de di enim na ye hu se eye egudie wa asase so ene asase na se nyina o Ghana no eyo omo dia Ejapade book na ewom enti omo baaye no so when with the number of licenses omo ba when we say at Ghana ha na explosion kese esi ewo eden apiate sa explosion no say any company a when dim raso a nipa ewu ya ewo sanka aban na atwe company na so ebesi ne because na omunim se ade a omo ye no omo ankasa plan omo ankasa companies no sa dynamite na explode ewo eden apiate no ebesin the police investigations reporter was say chire nipa enam no so masade ni sie no ebesin the na na do Akufo Addo say memo mo my report no because company na ede dynamite ne kono na your adia. Now so kind the other part of Ejapade book no about Ejapade Ejapade book na part omoka Ejapade ho asema me reading chiro so yes obeto aba ma MPP a aya dwene ho ma wo yemu nhyew omo dangerous. Now okanya Ejapade book ma say omo say the funds raised will be used to finance the setup of mining companies by our allies. Also, the Minerals Commission will be pushed to issue licenses and good concession to these companies. This will effectively transition us from galamsey mining to legally licensed mining companies. Future inflows from these entities will be invested in additional companies to be strategically positioned along the precious minerals value chain. A similar blueprint will be replicated in the oil and gas sector, which will also commence with the setting up of the SPVs using petroleum revenues that will currently flow into the consolidated fund as receivables to be mortgaged. The technical team led by DM, that is Oforiata, should further evaluate the following details in order to choose the appropriate sites into which Ejapade book ma omachro baby oma targeting minerals, how they are going to target the minerals. In this all kinds of part where almost say yeah baby a lot of mining companies. Ye baby mining companies na ya my own license. Ye my companies in license na ye to me dominated the mining sector in Ghana. Send ye bear a good year do no yen ye betumi tu na yafa. Inti the strategy is omobe muno. You could see say omoma over 2,000 licenses. Almost say de ma small scale miners that be those licenses no de ma omo because they had targeted Ghana a good year baby a war into share map na ewo Ejapade ni mu na they know where all the minerals no war. Ejapade no omo activity part 2 the mu hu no part 1